The Atlassian Foundation was founded shortly after Atlassian itself was founded. The idea was to pledge 1% of everything that we have, so 1% of our equity, 1% of our profits, 1% of our employee time, and also 1% of our product. That translates into every Atlassian having 5 working days a year to spend on an activity of their choice. Atlassian is trying to achieve through its volunteer programs that people will be more engaged in society, in giving back, and lead by example. With Deedmob, we're trying to resolve the issue that we had in the past. Initially, we started off by organizing a lot of different activities, which we were very successful at. But we got a lot of feedback from our employees that they would like to have more differentiation around the activities that we were offering, also around their own interests. And Deedmob provides them with a unique opportunity to search for deeds in their own field of interest, sign up themselves with no intervention from the Foundation Council needed. What we've been able to achieve with Deedmob so far is that we are currently ranked as the highest performing region within Atlassian. We have over 75% of our staff engaged in one or more activities throughout the fiscal year, which is great. Besides that, we've been able to connect with a lot of other foundations that we found actively involved on Deedmob, and also it inspired us as a Foundation Council to find new opportunities that we would like to explore further.